السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. كيف حالكم طلابي؟ إني أظن أنكم عافية وطيبة. نحن كلنا في الدراسة الماضية في الصف الماضي كثيرة من الأمور من الدرس الأولى. ما اسم درس الأولى؟ ما عنوان درس الأولى؟ نعم، جيش بلادي, army of my country. And also I told you to write tadribats. I hope all of you write tadribats. We can discuss answers, okay? Yes. All of you open your notebook. First question, answer the following question. هل أنت هندي? Are you Indian? Answer, what is the correct answer? نعم أنا هندي. نعم أنا هندي. Second question, هل لبلدك جيش قوي? Is there any strong army in your country? نعم. Answer, نعم جيش قوي في بلدي. نعم في بلدي جيش قوي. Third question, هل تحب الحرب مع الجيران? Do you like war with neighbors? Answer, لا. لا أحب حرب مع الجيران. لا أحب, not تحب. لا أحب حرب مع الجيران. Fourth question, هل تحب أن تكون جنديا في جيش بلادك? Do you like to be a soldier in the army of your country? What is the answer? You can write yes. نعم أحب أن أكون, not تكون, أن أكون جنديا في جيش بلادي, not بلادك, بلادي. Fifth question, لماذا تريد أن تكون جنديا في جيش بلادك? Why do you want to be soldier in the army of your country? You can write different answers. I will say one answer. أحب دفاع الوطن من الشر وعدوان. Okay? Yes. Then fill in the blanks. First question, نحن شعب. نحن شعب, we are people dash salam. نحب السلام. Okay? نحب, we love peace. Answer, نحب. Next question, يوجد في بلدنا. There is a strong army in our country. That is correct answer. So army word is needed there. Okay? What will say for army? جيش. جيش قوي. Then الهند دولة عظيمة. India is a big democratic country. وديمقراطية. ديمقراطية وديمقراطية. democratic. Okay. Next question, fourth question, تجدنا دائما واقفين dash للدفاع عن الوطن. You can find always soldiers are standing for defending country. واقفين, how is واقفين? How is standing? جنبا لجنب, side by side. Okay? ജനബൻ ലി ജനബിൻ. സൈഡ് ബൈ സൈഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ലാസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. നഈഷു ഫിൽ ഹിന്ദി ഡാഷ് സലാം. വി ആർ ലിവിങ് ഇൻ ഇന്ത്യ. വി ലവ് പീസ്. What word for using peace? We love in the Arabic. Nuhibbu. 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 Naishu fil Hindi. Not nuhibbu. Bihubbin wassalam. We are living in India with love and peace. Not nuhibbu. Hubb. Love. What is the word of hubb? What is the word of love? Hubb. Bihubbin wassalam. With love and peace. Okay. Next question. Kawwin jumla mufidatan mimma ya'ti. Make a sentence with the following words. Okay. First word, demokratiya. Democratic. We can say al-Hindu dawlatun demokratiya wa alimatun. And also second question, Diyanat. What is the meaning of Diyanat? Religions. Fil Hindi, Diyanatu Kasira. Fil Hindi, there are many religions in India. Fil Hindi, Diyanatum Kasira. Next word, Salam. What is the meaning of Salam? Peace. Al-Hunudu Ya'ishuna Fil Hindi بحب والسلام. الهنود يعيشون بحب والسلام. Jar. What is the meaning of jar? Check it in your notebook. Yes, neighbor. هذا جار طيب. This is a good neighbor. Silat. Silat. What is the meaning of silat? Relation. We can write al-hadiyatu taqwi. Silatu sodaka. The gift makes us friendship strong. Okay. I hope all your answer are very correct. Okay. Yes. Okay. We can take second chapter. Are you ready? هل أنتم جاهزون? Okay. What is the heading of second chapter? All of you read loudly. Ikra jahra. Na'am maktabul barid. Ma unwanu hadi idras. Heading. Ma unwanu hadi idras. What is the heading of this chapter? Maktabul barid. Maktabul barid. Post office. Hada maktabun. This is a office. Hada maktabul baridi. This is a post office. Maktabul barid, post office. Maktabul baridi qareebun min bayti. The post office near to my house. This post office near to my house. Qareebun means near. Okay. Then maktabul baridi maftuhan wasa'il baridi mawjudun min as-sabah ila al-masa. Maktabul barid, post office, maftuhan, open, wasa'il barid, postman, mawjudun, available, min as-sabah ila al-masa, from morning to masa, evening, from morning to evening. Then mudirul maktabi baridi, mudirul maktabil baridi mawjudan ayda. Mudirul maktab, post manager, post office manager. Post office manager also available. Ayda meaning also. Okay. One more time we can read. Maktabul barid, post office. Hada maktaban. This is a office. Hada maktabul baridi. This is a post office. Maktabul baridi qareebun min bayti. This post office near to my house. مكتب البريد مفتوحا وساعي البريد موجودا من الصباح إلى المساء. Post office open, postman available from morning to evening. مدير المكتب البريد, post office manager also available. Okay, got it? Yes, continue. Yes. ساعي البريد موظفا حكوميا. ساعي البريد postman. Postman موظفا حكوميا. Postman is government employee. موظف meaning employee. Okay, حكوميا meaning government. ومدير المكتب post office manager موظفا حكوميا أيضا. post office manager also government employee. ومدير المكتب post office manager جالس في مكتبه. He is sitting in his office. جالس sitting في مكتبه in his office. Then ساعي البريد شخص معروف ومحترم في المدن والقرى. Postman ساعي البريد. What is the meaning of ساعي البريد? Postman. Postman is a شخص معروف. Is a well-known person. Postman is a well-known and respected person في المدن والقرى, in the city and villages. Okay, شخص meaning person, معروف well known, محترم respected. في المدن مدينة جمع مدن city. قرى villages قرية جمع قرى. Okay, one more I will read. مكتب البريد post office. مكتب البريد post office. هذا مكتب. This is a office. هذا مكتب البريد. This is a post office. مكتب البريد قريب من بيتي. This post office near to my house. مكتب البريد مفتوح. The post office open. وساعي البريد موجودة من الصباح إلى المساء. And postman available from morning to evening. مدير المكتب البريد موجودا أيضا. Post office manager also available. ساعي البريد موظفا حكوميا. Postman is government employee. ومدير المكتب موظفا حكوميا أيضا. The post office manager also government employee. مدير المكتب جالس في مكتبه. Post office manager sitting in his office. Okay, got it? Then ساعي البريد شخص معروف ومحترم في المدن والقرى. ساعي البريد. What is the meaning of ساعي البريد? Yes, ساعي البريد postman. Postman is a well-known person in the city and villages. Okay. What is the plural of maktab? Right, maktab. Plural jam'a makatib. Maktabun jam'a plural makatib. Bait. Bait plural buyut. Write in your notebook, okay? Then muwallif employee. Muwallif jam'a muwallifun. and also Madinat, village. Madinat Jam'a Muzin, Muzinun. Qariyat, what is the meaning of Qariyat? Village. Yes, correct. Qura. Okay. Yes. Ini akhtatimu kalami dirasi. At the end of my class. I hope all of you understood. I want to telling to you, all of you write all the meaning in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. I will clear all of your doubt. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.